ito nga pala ang outfit natin, cargador outfit. Yan. So ito nga pala, napaka-comfortable yung shoes nito. Ang lambot, tignan mo. Sobrang lambot niya. Pero stable ang part nitang ito. Yan. Sobrang lambot niya. So, outfit natin, cargador outfit of the day. Alright, one pair on champs. Alright, so as you can see, I need to do the hustle. 2 pairs already and just one more. Alright, so before I drop by sa post office, dumaan na tayo agad ng mall just in case merong restock ng hinahanap natin ni Jordan 1 UNC Low na University Blue. So may nahanap tayong isa sa Champs, nag-iisa na lang to. This is the only one they have in store, 6.5. So kinda having some thoughts right now. I was here yesterday. I went here yesterday, but they don't have it on the shelf or on the store. I mean on display. But now they had it on display, but they only have 6.5 left. And it is about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And they opened like 2 hours ago. Okay, so I was kinda having some thoughts or maybe suspicion what happened, because I was here yesterday and there's nothing on display, and today they only opened like 2 hours and this is the last pair they had. So well, it is what it is. At least we can grab at least a small piece of the pie. Okay, and then went to the JD Sports, same thing, they don't have it on display yesterday. So kung naghahanap ka talaga, madi-disappoint ka, you'll get disappointed if you came here yesterday. They don't have natin. Yeah, especially when you travel for a couple minutes or 30 minutes, max 30 minutes. But hey, I'm just like 5 to 7 minutes away from the mall driving. So if I had to drop by yung mga order sa UPS, saka FedEx, saka USPS, then daan na agad ako dito kasi nga yun yung sa pantaha ko na there is something restocking every day. If they don't have it every day, then maybe other day, then meron akong chances na makakuha just in case they have it or they put it on display on the floor. And another one of this one is size 10.5. My size. Well, I'm gonna get me my size while I can. You know, you'll never know that this one or my size might gonna go skyrocket in the price. You'll never know. And it is a University Blue. You know it's a University Blue. It will and it will. Let's move on to dropping off those stuff. Alright, so went to the City Gear, nothing fine there, and then also went to another Foot Locker, but zero. Alright, so last time I went here on this Foot Action, we picked a bunch of the Jordan 1. So let's see if we can find more down here. Well, nothing down here. Wala tayong nahanap dyan sa Foot Action. Lipat ulit tayo. Alright, so next mall. First stop, we got here and finish line. Let's see if we got something. Ayun, walang gano'ng masyado maganda dito sa men's section. Ayun tayo dyan sa finish line. Wala tayong nahanap. Already home. Ay, medyo pagod tayo. Bahay na nga pala tayo at update nga pala with all the purchases that we did for today and for the sneaker hustle. So let me share you how many pairs we got. See, 1, 2, and 3. Hold a second. Alright, so and 4. As you can see right here, we got 4 pairs of the one we've been hunting. So hinahanap talaga natin to, no? Buti na lang nag-stock up na ang JD Sport. So ayun. Okay. Ayan, pinili na meron tayong mga nakuhang mga 9, 9.5, 10, tsaka 10.5 yata. Ayun, so 10, 10.5, and 9, and 9.5. So yun ang mga na sneaker hustle natin sa JD Sport. Good thing that we still got a chance to pick up multiple pairs. Buti na lang meron tayong nagagawang paraan na makakuha ng mas marami kaysa isa-isa, dalawa-dalawa lang. So ang mangyayari niyan, so and then next up, we're gonna end this vlog with a sneaker unboxing. You're gonna be surprised what is this one. Grabe, ang tagal ang order na to. It's been more than almost a month. I can't believe ang grabe, ang tagal. So, surprise that lucky that at least got 2 pairs of this. Exciting yung kulay ng box. Parang wait, Travis cut ba yan? So as you can see, it's a blue. It's not the Travis cut. It is the Dunk Air Force 1 Undefeated. Boom! And man, oh man, I got 10 and 10.5. And I thought they're gonna cancel out my order because I ordered 2 pairs in separate transaction though, but they didn't. So hey, I'll take it. Alright, so let's see, maganda ba to? Pero ang ganda ng box niya. But anyway, meron siyang Undefeated dito na logo, tapos another one dyan, tapos yung Dunk kasama. Ito kasi yung sa ano, diba, yung Dunk tapos Air Force 1 na Undefeated na collab. So ang retail niya nga pala is $150, pero nagbayad ako ng shipping is ng $15, so $155. Okay? Ayun, tingnan natin. Uy! Ha! Ayun, oh. Kaya pala hindi siya masyadong naging hype kasi nga yung quality ng ano nila nilagay. Parang simpleng Air Force 1 lang, tapos nilagyan lang ng stitches ng Undefeated dito, oh. Dito sa part niya na yan. Okay sana tong leather niya rito, ano? Okay sana to. Dito niyang part. Kakaiba yung design niya. Hindi yung malinis na leather, para siyang rough something. Meron pa palang ano dito, dito sa tang niya. May Undefeated na logo diyan sa tang niya, tapos yung stitch dito sa likod. So yun lang. Pero ang downside lang nito, ano, ito. I'm not really sure what kind of leather it is. It is a not really sure. Comment down below. Pero yung okay sana kung leather lahat sana to, okay sana eh. Madaling bagayan to. So ayan. Well, since there's no resale value, I'm not gonna keep it because don't have any some kind of undefeated shoe in my collection there. And it is an Air Force One with a camo green or cargo green. It's gonna a little bit easier to pair up with anything outfit, something like that, because it is a neutral color with a vintage look. So I don't mind. So the purpose of me set yung ang purpose ko nga pala nito nung binili ko siya, sabi ko kung hindi siya magre-resell, pwede ko pa rin naman siyang gamitin kasi Air Force One, tapos may pagka vintage looks pa siya. So yun, pwede. Ano sa tingin niya? Ano? Pwede, sa mga naghahanap na yan, sigurado kapag nag-restock sila, kunin nyo na. Hindi masyado mataas ang resale value. Pag gusto nyo naman ng Air Force One, tapos gusto nyo rin ng collab ng Undefeated, okay na to. Hindi walang resale value. So yun, pang personal. So okay, kita tayo next time.